Hey everybody, Shane here with Heads and Tails, and today we got Hayden with us. And today is a special day because today is Feeding Day! That's right, we're going to be feeding our ball pythons some African soft furs, and let's get right to it. Alright, and we're back, and we got us some African soft fur rats for our guys to get. Now my dog is very interested and wants to eat them, so I can't really keep them out right now. But let's get right to it. Alright everybody, as you might have seen in the video, T'Challa was not about having any food today. He is bluing, so he's going through one of his phases of shedding. There's 4 phases. So he's in his bluing stage, and he did a couple of defensive strikes. He did not do any feeding strikes, which tells you right away that he is not wanting any food. He just wanted to be left alone, so we went ahead and took the rat out and left him alone. T'Challa did eat. Unfortunately, I can't show it. There's too many young eyes watching this, so you're just going to have to use your imagination of how epic it really was. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you want, join my Patreon. Thanks, guys.